The District Library Cum Youth Center DLCYC Thoubal Athokpamna sinduna Holistic Career Guidance Program 1.0 ngasi Thoubal Athokpam Awang Laikai da leba DLCYC gi hall da pangthokre. Career Guidance Stall Mari su hangdoktuna chahi asida Class 10 amadi Class 12 ki mahairoi singidamak akhanana pangthokiba Career Guidance Program atuda DLCYC gi Vice President Dr. T.H. Priyokumar Singh, Sign Career Manipur ki Founder Ketrumayum Tony Singh amadi Thoubal College ki Assistant Professor amasung Former Assistant Commandant ITBT Muhammad Nur Safi Ahmed Khan na President Member Singoina Sarukia ki. Class 10 amadi Class 12 pass tawraba mahairoi sing na makhoigi tungi academic amadi professional career semnaba hotnabada kari khongthang laukhutkani haibana chingba hiram kayada Sign Career Manipur gi Founder Ketrumayum Tony Singh amadi Thoubal College ki Assistant Professor Muhammad Nur Safi Ahmed Khan na research person oina hiram kayada wangang ki.